Good morning, Thailand. So, you can see here some papaya. It's early morning. I saw when I see this early morning from my tree, what I grow here. So very nice, nah? There was 2, 3. So I think mother-in-law she take it. So it was here too. And I saw this one very nice early morning when I see it. I grow it maybe 6, 7 months ago. And here I grow more. So here one more plant, and here papaya, and here one more. So this will be take another maybe 2, 3 months. It's quite nice to see. So life is Thailand, not really tension, really good. Drop some rice early morning for bird. So they have a lot of birds. They come and having breakfast. So when I see this early morning, I feel very happy. There are a lot of birds sound. I saw here one more bird nest with baby. So on here on the dragon. Oh, I show you. Yeah, mama gone here. See this for baby bird too. So here nearly relaxed. That's the reason there's no cats around here. So that's the reason why birds laying egg here. It's nice environment. You can see